Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I have a video review, product review for you. And this one is called the Call of the Wild Coloring Pack, right? And so it's from the creators of Smart Book Builder. So if you are a member of the Smart Book Builder and you're a gold member, then you will actually have access to this. I'm going to go ahead and log into the software. This is one of the reasons to have a gold membership, right? So if you have a gold membership, you can come over here to the gold resources, and they've been uploading a ton of coloring packs, right? I think you get 2 per month. So the software's been up for a couple months. So you have a good 4 or 5 of these that have already been released. And so right here, if you are a member, then you would just go here and click on this right here, Call of the Wild. And it just got released today to the public. So it is on sale for $17 today. So we are going to go and take a look at that. I'm also going to show you the sales page, and then I'm going to show you my bonuses as well. So I'm going to look at this. This extremely lucrative market is waiting for you. And just to kind of interject here, I haven't done a coloring pack review in a while on the channel. And so I hope you enjoy this. And really what this is, I get a lot of questions. What do we do with these coloring pages if everybody's uploading the same page on the Amazon KDP? Well, you have to think outside the box a little bit with this stuff. You have to also think of where you're getting these images from. Okay, so here's a lot of the images that you're going to get right here, and I'm going to show you these. What you get. So here's basically the sales page, and then I'll talk a little bit more about what to do with this. So what you can do with this coloring pack, you can sell it as is, but even better, create hundreds of unique coloring and activity pages. And this is where it shines, and this is where all these coloring packs shine. You want to take combinations of the animals and backgrounds and interchange them to where there's not going to be one same coloring page. It's really not that hard. There won't be one same coloring page that somebody else creates. So first of all, the coloring book packs like this, the reason why I like them so much is that you are not competing with everybody on Creative Fabrica that's getting all the same stuff. So we go over to Creative Fabrica, and I get this question all the time in my comments, and you have to remember what you're doing. So if I say animal coloring page, thousands of people that have this membership are going to, I don't know why it does that sometimes, where it just goes right into a animal coloring page, and I just want to search for that, and so it's going to bring me all these results. Guess what? Thousands of people have somebody left a comment the other day, well, this isn't interesting because if I already have a Creative Fabrica membership, then why would I need any of this stuff? Well, that's asking the wrong question, because do you want to come in here where there's tens of thousands of people that can come in here and grab these coloring pages right here, right? Tens of thousands of people can come in here and grab these coloring pages and put them in their interiors. Whereas people that are going to be buying this coloring book pack right here is going to be only dozens of people. So you're automatically, and look, they have book covers and everything, which is really, really cool. So this is the sales page. You can go ahead and check this out in your own time, but you are going to get 20 fun animal coloring pages, 20 backgrounds, 10 without borders, 10 with borders, 5 done for you editable covers. So here's covers, and you can edit them and interchange everything out, right? And definitely recommend doing that. But you get a massive head start with this stuff, right? And so back to my point with the Creative Fabrica stuff, tens of thousands of people doing the same thing that you're doing are going to be grabbing these pages and making coloring book pages out of them. And you will be competing against people using the exact same drawings. But when you buy unique coloring packs from Warrior Plus, you are looking at, if I come over here into the back office where this offer is right now, this only has 7 sales. So right now, this isn't going to be a big launch. This is not going to be a big selling launch right here, right? And so right now you're only competing against 7 other people. Let's say half of those people don't even put this into practice and do anything with these. And then you have some people using it from the membership, right? From Smart Book Builder. And that's fine. but you're only looking at dozens of people that you will actually get their hands on this coloring pack, right? And so that automatically puts you in a whole nother category of how unique these drawings are to you. And so I hope that you kind of realize the difference between buying a coloring book kit like this. Now, they're not going to take this. Marlene Robinson, the owner of Smart Book Builder and the creator, she's not going to take these and go put them on Creative Fabrica. They're not going to exist. They're not going to exist anywhere else other than in the Smart Book Builder software for gold members, right? And that's people paying $20 a month for that membership, or buying it straight out right here as it's made to the public. And I just showed you proof that it's not selling that many. So you're only going to be, usually these packs sell about 50 copies, maybe 100 copies. And so you're only going to be competing against dozens of people. And like I said, not thousands of people. So I hope I made myself clear. I kind of went on a rant there, but I just really want to answer that question of, what's the point of buying these coloring packs? Well, if you don't know the value of buying this coloring pack, then you shouldn't buy the coloring pack. Don't buy the coloring pack. If you don't know how you can take this and create KDP coloring books, several different interiors, you can sell these on Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, all kinds of other places you can upload these. So there's the value of it. You can check out the sales page. I want to go over my bonuses. If you want to pick up the Call of the Wild coloring book and activity pack, if you don't already have the Smart Book Builder gold membership, which I imagine you probably don't. Here's Teach Me Money Methods Insane bonus package. Here is a new kind of style of my bonus pages. I was having some fun with it and wanted it to look kind of nice. So there's the coloring pack. Here are my bonuses for this offer. If you decide to purchase with one or more, with one of the links below, any of these red links right here, then you will instantly receive all of the below bonuses, right? And so what is the Call of the coloring packs? Already went over that. You're welcome to read all this, but here's a bonus that comes with the pack when you get it. You are going to get 400 Learn to Count coloring and trace activity pages. That is awesome. And there is an upsell. There's one upsell. So that's good for you to know what you're getting yourself into by, purchasing. And then you will get one upsell offer. And this is the Scissors Skills coloring book pack with 80 pages. You can create in combinations of hundreds of coloring activity book pages. So you, if you're, the scissor cutting packs are really becoming very popular across the board on Etsy and Amazon KDP. So that is a really good upgrade. So bonus number one, if you pick this up through my offer, and I haven't really put together a bonus page or anything like that in a while, you're going to get, these are all unique from me. My designer drew all these from scratch. You're going to get 10 Safari bonus pages. And that goes really, really good with these animals coloring pack. And so I wanted to relate to what you're actually getting, right? So you're going to get the 10 Safari animals. Bonus number 2, you're going to get 40 animals coloring pages with backgrounds, amazing coloring pages, high quality. Then bonus number 3, you're going to get animals alphabet coloring pages. So you can make all kinds of different combinations with all these bonuses. You can make, the sky's the limit. And then this one's really, really cool. You're going to get bonus giraffes playing sports, custom designed, freshly drawn by my illustrator. These go great with Sporty Giraffes coloring kit. I did put this together about a month ago. But if you didn't pick up that pack, then you don't have this bonus, and you can get these 7 really cool drawings as well. Bonus number 5, you're going to get, I've only given this pack out one time. So you're going to get bonus coloring backgrounds, 20 designs. And you can actually take any of the animals from the kit that you're buying or from any of my bonuses and throw them on these coloring book pages right here. You can add some quotes, all that kind of stuff, and you can build yourself all kinds of coloring pages. Now, I put a little screenshot down here. If you do pick up the pack and you want my bonuses, this is what it'll look like in Warrior Plus. Thank you for your purchase, right? And then you can access your purchase with a green button, and then right here, access affiliate bonus. You click the blue button there, and then it will automatically take you over to all of your bonuses, right? And so there's my bonus page, and then let's go in and take a look at here's some of the colored pages that you'll get with this coloring book pack. I'm going to go back into here, and we're going to go Call of the Wild. I'm going to just show you a little bit of it. So the main pack you're going to get right here. and wildlife. And you get the SVG and the PNG files. It's really neat. So this is what it looks like. Look at all the high quality coloring page drawings that you're going to get, all 20 of those. Let's go check out the backgrounds real quick. You get bordered or borderless, which is really cool. So here's high quality coloring book backgrounds. And that's the main pack. And then if you also, here's cover templates. So this also comes in the main product. So you get all these, and there's plenty of covers to get you started. And I believe this is the bonus that actually comes with the front end offer, which is really nice. Here's another bonus offer that comes with it. And then the upgrade, if you do end up getting the upgrade, the one-time offer, then here is the scissors, 80 scissors pages, right? So you get all these. So, you know, the kids can cut those out and then put them on construction paper or a piece of paper and glue them on there and put them back together, which is really cool. So they basically are improving their cutting skills and the dexterity and all that kind of stuff. And so there is the upgrade. So hope you enjoyed this review. If you do decide to pick this coloring book kit up right here, it is $17 today. The price will go up to, I believe, $27 after the 3-day launch. And you can also get all 5 of my custom exclusive bonuses for picking it up. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video.